Are you looking for how to write text in the round shape in MS Word? Then keep watching. Make sure to write text in a round or circular shape in Microsoft Word. You primarily use the WordArt tool combined with the transforms effect. So for this, head to the insert on the top menu bar and then click on the Word Art and select the style you want to prefer, and now type the desired text. So now click the word art and go to the shape format and go to the text effect, and at the bottom you will see that transform. Click on that and here is the circle. Click on that. So now you need to square the box to make the text perfectly circular. Ensure the height and width of the word art box are equal in the size group of the shape format, and here 4 by 4, and here it is. So make sure you can also do the some fine tuning. So for this you need to drag the sizing handles, the white circle to change the size or move it. However, the yellow handle to adjust the curve intensity, like this one. So the perfect round shape, you should prefer the 4 by 4 circular size. So I hope you understand how to write text in the round shape in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.